So today I'm going to show you guys how to do Emma Frost makeup. This costume is from my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke. So for the diamond skin makeup, I kept things pretty simple. I got these little plastic gems from the craft store, and then I took some scraps of silver fabric and I cut the strips so that they would go around different areas of my face, so they'd fit around my face. And then I just glued all the little gems onto the fabric scraps so that I end up with these little blocks of gems that I can just put spirit gum on the back of and apply them to my face, so I don't have to glue a million gems to my face every time I want to do Emma. So with a little spirit gum on the back of each of those little gem sections, I just glued those onto my face one by one until I had it kind of where I wanted, and then I put some individual gems. Doesn't take that long to do a few individual gems, but I didn't want to do a million of them every time, so I made the big sections that I could just put spirit gum on the back of and just stick them on my face with the spirit gum, and then a few extra gems for transition. Then I took a blonde wig that I already had and a little purple lipstick, and I put it all together. And if you guys want to see how I made the rest of this costume, then check out my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke, which is currently available for pre-sale. The links are in the description box.